Why? Can you blow the fire out? Come here. Come here. This is the best spot. Liberty. Come here. Wally, can you blow the fire out?
Good job. That's really good.
Smoke in your eyes. Come here. You got to come over here and do it. Well, you got to come here and do it. I told you. It's okay. It's okay. It goes away. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now you got to blow it from here.
You freaked me out a little.
What?
You freaked me out a little when you were like, Mary?
Oh, did I?
And then you're looking in here and I'm thinking, then you're looking in here and I'm thinking the screen and porch is on fire or something. Because you're like, he's behind you.
Well, you got to blow it out if you want it to go out.
I'm going to say I think it's too close to the house.
I think it's fine.
I think it's definitely too close to these cushions because I think they have burn holes in them.
That I don't think is true.
And there's ash all over them.
It's ash, but all that ash was just paper ash. It doesn't really burn once it's ash.
There he goes, up on the swing set. He has mastered how to climb up. Still too afraid to go down the slide without someone holding his hand. Liberty! Oh. Not sure why he's walking that way.
Because that's where he gets his base when he blows. Liberty, sit. Otherwise he blows himself down.
I'm sorry, the camera is shaking.
Liberty, hey. No. Okay, let's get a real big blow, Wally. Ready? 1, 2. Good job.